Hey, what's up everyone? This is Adam Gazletta with Avenue 8 Real Estate, bringing you another video on vineyard sales, acquisitions, and farming practices. So today I want to talk more about water and how it is measured and how much a vineyard uses and how you can maximize your water use. So with climate change upon us, water usage is becoming an extremely hot topic in the viticultural field. Farmers are coming up with ways to reduce and maximize the amount of water that they use for irrigation. The state is regulating and measuring how much water is used in the vineyards. So having a plan for smart watering is going to be crucial in the future of the viticultural industry. So how much water does a vineyard use? Based on research done by UC Davis, they estimate that a producing vineyard, one that is beyond its fourth year and producing a full crop, will use between a half acre to an acre foot of water per year. So a half acre foot means that every acre of a vine is covered by a half a foot of water each year. Vineyards that are newer, freshly planted, will use significantly more than an acre foot of water. So will vineyards on slope and in the eastern and western hills of Napa and Sonoma. There are several ways to test how much water your vineyard will need for irrigation. A couple are a pressure bomb. So a pressure bomb measures the amount of water stress that a vine is exerting. So as the ground dries up from the wet season, the vine is able to pull less and less water out of the ground and needs more water from irrigation. So what you can do is you can take a leaf, cut a leaf, put it into a pressure bomb chamber, and it will tell you how much stress is exerted from the vine. Based on the amount of stress is a good indicator of when you should start watering and how much you are watering. Another way to test how much water your vineyard is using is through a program that utilizes AI to measure the actual evapotranspiration of a field. So sensors are placed throughout your vineyard. They will give you an accurate reading on how much water is used by the vineyard, how much stress the vine is exerting, and how much water is actually being used through irrigation at any given time. It can also make recommendations on how much water to irrigate and when to do so. So it's really a cool system that utilizes tech, and it can all be done through your computer or your smartphone. Now more than ever, water adds significant value to a vineyard property. As metering continues and regulation of the ability to drill new wells increases, having an established well and water rights will increase significantly in value. Being able to show a plan of water usage based in data and facts will provide you with hard evidence of the water usage and justify the amount of water that you're using. This is crucial for a seller to show that they do have significant water to continue to farm into the future. As a buyer, you'll want to see how the current owners farm and how much water they're going to need to use to continue to farming in the future. As your vineyard and land real estate expert, I have made connections in all fields of vineyard operations. Together we can utilize my connections and knowledge to help you make the right decisions when buying or selling a vineyard. I hope you found this video helpful. My contact info is below. Feel free to reach out with any comments or questions. I'm always around. Thank you very much. Take care.